Welcome to Zhangjiagang City Xiangli Tool Company Limited. We are one of professional supplier of ratchet tie-down, cam buckle tie-down, winch straps, tow strap, replacement strap, webbing sling, bungee cord, cargo net, rope, tool bag in China. We can supply almost all these items you want at the price you need, with the quality you deserve. Work with us for the speed and flexibility to order only as many as you need right now. And our monthly output of 300,000 units means for normal products, quantity within 10,000 pieces. We can finish it within 1 day. To provide the good service to our clients, we reply to all inquiries in just 8 hours. Quality is our soul. We always try our best to supply customers with better quality products, with competitive price and fast delivery. Please visit our product pages to see our products. If you cannot see what you need, we will take time to listen to your needs and help you find what you are looking for and then produce according to your request. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We sincerely welcome customers from all over the world to establish long-term business relationships with us on the basis of mutual benefits. It's only about 1.5 hours from Shanghai Airport to our company. Welcome to visit our company, my friend.